To replace the carburetor, you'll need a number 3 Allen wrench, number 4 Allen wrench, number 5 Allen wrench, number 10 wrench, number 14 wrench, and number 17 wrench. Remove the 3 bolts on the chain cover. Use a number 10 wrench and a number 5 Allen wrench to remove the connector bolts of the brake caliper. Use a number 14 wrench and a number 17 wrench to remove the rear wheel axle. Remove the bolts and nuts and loosen the rear suspension. Use a number 3 Allen wrench to remove the 2 bolts on the air filter. Remove the air filter. Use a number 4 Allen wrench to remove the securing bolts on the carburetor. Remove the carburetor. Disconnect the throttle cable connected to the carburetor. Assemble the throttle cable onto the carburetor, paying attention to the orientation of the connector, then tighten the throttle cable. If the throttle handle can rebound normally when it is turned, it means it is assembled correctly. Insert the bolts and the heat insulation gasket into the carburetor. Tighten the bolts on the carburetor. Place the air filter and its bolts in their correct positions, then tighten the bolts. Align the mounting holes of the rear suspension with those on the rear bracket. Insert the bolt and nut, then tighten them. Insert the chain adjuster with the recessed side facing inward into the rear fork. After inserting the spacer, assemble the rear wheel. Insert the chain adjuster on the other side into the rear fork in the same way, then put in the rear wheel nut. Hang the chain on the sprocket. Tighten the rear axle. Assemble and tighten the brake connector bolt. Tighten the 3 bolts on the chain cover to complete the carburetor replacement.